Hola! Mabuhay! Welcome to Chrissy at John Vlogs. Kumusta po kayo? Kumain na ba kayo? I hope everyone is fine and in good health. Madam Chrissy is day off today, so I opted to do some vlogs. Well, where I am. Welcome to my kitchen. And today, our vlog is about fridge magnet. Yes, the fridge magnets that I've got in my refrigerator door. You know, while doing my vlogs about tips how to make our lips whimsically beautiful, pinkish, and pouty, Miss Kitty Cat TV, my BFF, noticed that I have fridge magnets. Yeah, this is a collection I accumulated through the years. Yes, and I'm happy about it. However, we will find out, is there a negative or positive effect of fridge magnets? Well, we'll find out. Please stay tuned for my vlogs, and of course, mag-intro muna tayo! Hello! Yes, how's everyone? In today's vlogs, we'll tackle about the fridge magnet. Yes, fridge magnet are souvenirs that we bring to our friends when we're back home. I know everyone misses holiday. It's been a long while that some of us didn't go abroad or didn't go to holiday. And of course, presenting my collections of fridge magnets. Fridge magnets are good souvenirs, and of course, we normally give it as a gift or we normally share it to our friends as a souvenir as a result of our lovely and successful holidays. There are different types of fridge magnets that we can see. There are like this, it's recyclable, wooden, paper. And I bought this in Skegness. Yes. And if you see, we can also use and utilize our own crafts from the Philippines. I bought this from Boracay. So it gives me soothing memories of the beach, the white beach in Boracay Island. So, well, as you can see, my BFF, mega love shout out to you, Christine. She gave me this from Disneyland when she went with her sister. Mega love shout out to you, Alma, when they went to Paris. And yes, very nice fridge magnet. This is composed of plastic and of course with a little magnet over there. And it's sealed with the edges and very whimsical ornaments that we can use in our fridge. Yes. How come we can put these magnets, fridge magnets, to our fridge? Well, our refrigerator doors are ferromagnetic, which means to say it's made of steel, like Superman. It's made out of steel. So ferromagnetic materials can be sealed there and attracts magnet. Yes. So As you can see in my kitchen, I have some collections of magnets that I collected through the years. And I'm very proud of it. And as what Miss Kitty Cat TV, your fridge magnets are nice. So I decided to vlog this. Not for anything else, but to treasure those memories. And of course, it's a good pasalubong. And it's very handy, it's easy to carry. And for me, fridge magnet is suitable for everybody. Alright? However, there are negative or bad negative, or there can be positive or bad negative about fridge magnet. I'll let you know sa pagbabalik ni Madam Chrissy. So, what will be the negative effect or negative energy about fridge magnet? This is what it is. You know, if a person or a family went to a particular place and it was a successful holiday and they gave you fridge magnet like this for you to put on your house, for you to put it in your fridge door, well, that's happiness. That's lucky because it was a successful holiday. It was full of fun, it was a lovely travel, full of love, full of joy and hope to the family. So it will radiate to you. They gave you this fridge magnet for memory, for souvenirs, and of course, to let them express their feelings that they care about you. And even though they're on holiday, they also want you to be with them. So it's a good sign because it harbors positive energy. However, if the one who gave you like a fridge magnet like this, for example, this one is the fridge magnet from Langkawi, Malaysia, which I bought myself. I bought it myself. It wasn't a gift. So, however, if someone came from holiday and gave you a souvenir like fridge magnet and that person is full of negative energy, what happened there was really, you know, shocking, or it was a devastation. They've been robbed, or shall we say there were accident happened and they still gave you a souvenir like this. Oh my God, be careful. Don't just receive it because it will reflect a negative vibes and the energy is not so good. It can give you low energy, which of course which is not good. If you're a vlogger, it's not good for your channel. If you're a chef and you put it here on your fridge in your kitchen, it's not a good sign. So whenever you receive a fridge magnet, make sure it was given by a lovely person, by a person who really positive in life, who really share their blessings, and those persons who gave it from the bottom of their hearts. Yes. So in today's vlog, I want to feature my fridge magnet that was given by my friends. Some of it I bought it like recently. I bought this mascara in the Maswerte festival that's being held in Cadiz, Spain. And I also have this beautiful souvenir, which is, there's a magnet there as you can see. And of course you can see the word. Yes, my favorite beach holidays. Yes, the La Caleta beach. Yeah, so I can't resist these fridge magnets. So, you know, my BFF Christine also have a lots of collection of fridge magnets. She loves fridge magnet and she put it in her kitchen. So when I went to Lake District, yeah, I've got this one. Yeah, because he's a popular comedian, a popular actor. I've got some from Liverpool like this. Very nice. Yes. And there's still a price. I haven't removed it. It's 2.99 pounds, which is really expensive now for the fridge magnet. So when Christine went to Turkey, she had this. She gave it to me. And then when we travel to Isle of Man, we have that one as well. And loads of this. This is my favorite. Rich for positivity. Yeah, Skegness on the beach. Yeah, there's a beach in Skeggy. And I bought this just to cheer me up. Look, very cute. It's made of glass, a little bit there. And it's made of rock. And I'm happy when I look at it because she's wearing a bikini and it's a polka dot pink bikini. Alright, so much about the fridge magnet. So, are you convinced about fridge magnet? Will you be ever buy those and collect it or give it to your friends? Well, just be careful of giving ornaments. Be careful of giving souvenirs because it can be detrimental. It can be not positive. Yes. And when you give, make sure it comes from the bottom of your heart without expecting any return. And when you give souvenir, wherein the location of the place or the holiday where you've been with yourself or with your family, with your loved ones, you feel happy, not a disaster. Because if it is a disaster or a bad holiday and you will still give this kind of souvenirs, it might radiate to the next traveler. It may radiate to the person. So, yun lang. Okay? So, be careful of giving fridge magnet. Kaya nga magnet, di ba? It attracts. It can attract negative energy. I hope you like my vlog for today. Thank you so much. And I would like to invite you on my live streams. Yeah, I will post it in the community. And thank you so much to all my members, specifically to Payo Bocalbos. How are you, Payo? Congratulations to you. You are recently monetized channel. You're now an artist, Payo. Well done. And of course, Ma'am Pichi Aceron, who is also my member, Miss Kitty Cat TV, and Bal Mejia TV. And of course, my super chatters, Ana de Guzman. Yes, Ana Gutierrez de Guzman. And those Risa channel was always there. And of course, Goddess01, who always there on my channel. Thank you to all your palipad. Thank you for your super stickers. Thank you for buying me super stickers. And always there for the likes on my channel. And of course, Little Mary. And of course, Christine. Thank you so much. Take care always. And thank you so much for the beautiful memories, the fridge magnet that you gave me. Yes, this is Madam Chrissy saying, Mabuhay!